welcome all of you to this International Yoga Day function. As this year's theme is rightly telling, Yoga for Healthy Aging, so which itself is clearly telling that yoga is not just an exercise form, it's a way of lifestyle. So we have here today with us the Sharda Shakti Yoga Institute, and their entire team is here. So please give them a big applause. We have made significant contribution to Ayurveda, health education and the promotion of Indian knowledge system. And we are truly honored to have you here in this occasion. And a few words about our yoga instructor, Mr. Vilas Anand. He is a certified yoga teacher from the IITM Memorial Yoga Institute, Pune. He has extensive expertise in teaching yoga and has conducted several sessions across various organizations like Maharashtra CPCID Wing and the various defense organizations, Deepak Mangesher Hospital and the various colleges across Pune and Maharashtra. We are also truly honored to have you here in this occasion. So now I request the director to say a few words in this occasion.
So you know that yoga is not a simple physical exercise. It helps us to keep us mentally also healthy, also make us think better, faster, and keep us calm. So this year's theme is based on WHO's decade of healthy aging. So that also matches with this. The whole idea is to have a preventive health care. So when it comes to IITM, we all know that all of you by now know that our research and advisory committee has said that IITM is no more a center of excellence, it is becoming a center of eminence. So to make our institute a center of excellence, all of you are really working very hard and working long hours. So definitely yoga is one of the ways to keep us calm and also make us more productive. So with these few words, I welcome the team from Ramamani Iyengar's Memorial Yoga School and also Sharda Shakti movement person also here. So I hope we'll have a very fruitful yoga exercise this year today, and also listen to them for some time and understand what are the more important. I myself is a beneficiary of yoga. Some of you must have seen me. I could not walk for more than 1 hour with my leg. Shuttle becomes very rigid. So after taking shift up to yoga, now I can walk for any duration. Thank you.